Hello children, welcome back. So let's continue chapter number 6, division part 4. So children, today we will start with the new exercise, that is exercise 6.2. So the question is divide and check your answer. So question number A is divide 987 by 15. So let's write it here first. So 987 divided by 15. So children, because this divisor here, the 15 here is a 2-digit number. So we will consider the first 2 digits of the dividend. So what we will consider? 9898. Now you know the multiplication table of 15. So let's see how many times 15 gives us below 98. So 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90 and 15 sevens are 105. Now 15 sevens are 105 is more than 98. So how many times we'll go? We'll go for 15 sixes are. So 15 sixes are, so 6 we will write here, 15 sixes are 90. Now we'll subtract. So this 8 minus 0, we'll get 8 here, 9 minus 9, 0. Now we'll bring down the next digit from the dividend. So we'll bring down 7 here. Now 15 6 times is 90. So we'll go for 15 fives are, 15 fives are 75. So that we will write here. Now let's subtract. So 7 minus 5, 2 and 8 minus 7, 1. So what is the quotient obtained here, children? Q stands for quotient here. Quotient is 65, whereas the remainder here is 12. Now because we have to check the answer, so now let's check the answer with quotient 65 and remainder 12. So children, you know that how do we check the division? For that we first multiply the divisor by quotient and then we add remainder to it. That you already know. So first we will multiply divisor, which is 15, multiplied by quotient, which is 65 here, and then we'll add remainder to it. The remainder is 12. So when we'll multiply divisor and quotient, we'll get 975 here, and then we will add the remainder to it. So when we'll add remainder to it, we'll get 987, which was the dividend. Isn't it, children? You can see the dividend here, 987. So what does it shows? It shows that the division is correct. Got it, children? Now let's move to the next question. Now question number C is divide 755 by 18. So let's write it first. 7 5 5 divided by 18. So now because the divisor is a 2-digit number, so we'll consider first 2 digits of the dividend. So it becomes 75 here. So 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, 18 fives are 90. So 18 fives are 90 will be more than 75. So how many times? 18 4 times. 18, we'll write here 18 fours are. So 18 fours are 72. So 5 minus 2, we'll get 3 here, and 7 minus 7, 0. Now we'll bring down the next digit from the dividend, which is 5. So now we have 35. Now 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36. So 36 will be more than 35. So how many times? 1 time. So 18 ones are 18. Now here we have to borrow. So it becomes 15 and 2 will be remaining here. So 15 minus 8, 7, and 2 minus 1, 1. So what is the quotient obtained here, children? Quotient is 41, whereas R stands for remainder is 17. So with this quotient 41 and 17 as remainder, let's check the answer. So here you can see, first we'll multiply divisor by quotient and then we add remainder to it. So divisor is 18, whereas quotient is 41. We'll multiply it and then we'll add remainder, which is 17 to 8. So when we'll multiply divisor by quotient, we will get 738 and then added remainder to it, which is 17 will give 755, which was the dividend. So it shows that the division is correct. Got it, children? Now let's move to the next question. Now question number E is divide 3970 by 28. So let's write the question first. So 28, we'll write here 3970. Now again, children, because the divisor is a 2-digit number, we'll consider first 2 digits of the dividend. So 28, how many times will go? 28 ones are here. So 28 ones are 28. Now 9 minus 8, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. Now because this 11 is smaller than 28, we'll bring down the next digit from the dividend, which is 7 here. Now children, just see here, because we don't know the multiplication table of 28. So we will see the go 2 5s are 10, isn't it? Because 2 6 are 12 will be more than this 11 here. So how many times? 2 5 times will go. So let's check here. We will multiply 28 by 5. That then what we will get? Let's just see here. 8 5s are 40. So 0, 4 will be carried over. Now 5 2s are or 2 5s are 10 plus 4, 14. So it will give 28 5 times will give 140, which will be more than 117. So we'll go for 28. Let's see, 28 4 times. So 8 4s are 32. So 2 will write here and 3 will be carried over. Now 2 4s are 8 plus 3 11. So 112. So we will go for 28 4 times, because 112 is less than 117. So 7 minus 2, 5, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Now we will bring down the next digit from the dividend, which is 0 here. Now 28 2s is 56, which will be more than 50. So we will go for 28 1 times only. So let's write it here. So there we have to borrow, it will be 10 and there we will have 4. So 10 minus 8, 2 and 4 minus 2, 2. So what is the quotient obtained here, children? Quotient is 141, whereas R stands for remainder is 22. So quotient is 141 and remainder is 22. With this quotient and remainder, let's check the division. So you already know how do we check. We multiply divisor by quotient and then we add remainder to it. So quotient is 28 multiplied by, divisor is 28 multiplied by quotient. Quotient is 141 and then we add remainder to it, which is 22. So when we will multiply divisor by quotient, we will get 3948 and then we will add remainder to it. So we will get the dividend, which is 3970. You can see the dividend here 3970. So it shows that the division is correct. Okay children. Now let's move to the next question. Now question number G is divide 8174 by 31. So let's write the question first. 31, and here it is divided by 8174 divided by 31. So because it is the divisor is a 2-digit number, so we'll consider first 2 digits of the dividend, which is 81. Now just see here children, the first digit of the divisor and the first digit of the dividend. So 3, if you will divide this first digit of the dividend by the first digit of the divisor, how many times you have to go? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 will be more. So you may go for 31 2 times. So let's see here, 31 2 times will give 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. So we will go for 31 2 times and not 3 times, because then it will go beyond 9. Means the digit here will go beyond 9 or maybe 9 only. So we will go for 31 2 times. So 31 2 times will give 62, that we will write here. Now we will subtract. Now here we have to borrow, so it becomes 11, and there we will have 7. So 11 minus 2 will give 9, whereas 7 minus 6 gives 1. Now we will bring down the next digit from the dividend, which is 7 here. So now we have 197. Now children, just see the first digit of the divisor and the first 2 digits of the remainder, which is 19. So 3, how many times will give you less than 19? So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21. Now 3 7 times will be more than 3 7 times will give 21, which will be more than 19. So how many times? 31 6 times we will see. 31 6 times. So 6 1s are, or 1 6 are 6, and 6 3s are 18. So we will go for 31 6 times. So it will give 186. Now let's subtract. So we will get 7 minus 6 1, 9 minus 8 1 here. Now we will bring down the next digit from the dividend, which is 4. Again children, how you will know how many times you have to go? So just see the first digit of the divisor and first 2 digits of the remainder. So 3 4s are 12 will be more than this 11. So how many times? 3 4s are will be 12, which will be more than this 11. So 3 times. It means we will go for 31 3 times. So 31 3 times, 1 3s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. It will give 93. So we will go for 31 3 times here. So we will write 93 here. And let's subtract here now. So 4 minus 3 1, and 11 minus 9 here will give 2. 21. So the quotient obtained here is 263, and remainder here we get as 21. So with this quotient and this remainder, let's check the answer. So here children, you can see we have multiplied here, divisor multiplied by quotient, and then we add remainder to it to check the division. So here we have multiplied divisor, which is 31 by quotient, which is 263, and then we'll add remainder to it, which is 21 here. So when we'll multiply divisor by quotient or quotient by divisor, we will get 8153 plus remainder which is 21. So when we'll add them, we'll get 8174, which was the dividend. You can see here it is the dividend. So it shows that the division is correct. Okay. Now let's see question number J. So question number J is divide 8844 by 44. So let's write the question first here. So 8844 divided by 44. So children, we'll consider first two digits of the dividend because the divisor also is a two-digit number. So 44 2s is 88. So let's write it. So we'll get 0 only. Now we'll bring down the next digit from the dividend, which is 4 here. So children, there you can see, although we brought the next digit down, that 44 is more than this digit 4 here. So what we'll do? We'll put one 0 here, and when we'll multiply this 0 to 44, what we'll get? 0 only. So when we'll subtract, we'll get 4 minus 0, 4. Now we'll bring down the next digit from the dividend, which is 4 here. So 44, how many times will give 44? Yes, 1 times only. So 1 time only. So 44 ones are 44. So we'll get 0 now. So what is the quotient here, children? Quotient is 201, whereas remainder is 0 here. So now let's check the answer, this division. So first we'll multiply the divisor by quotient and then we'll add remainder to it. So divisor is 44 multiplied by quotient, which is 201, and then we'll add remainder to it, which is 0 here. So when we'll multiply the divisor by quotient or quotient by divisor, we'll get 8844, and we'll add 0 to it. So we'll get the 8844 only, which is the dividend. So it shows that the division is correct. Okay children, these all questions you will note down in your maths notebook. Okay, and the worksheet which is been provided, you will solve them and submit them as well. Okay children, and you will practice for all these questions. Okay, so that's all for today children. Thank you.